Welcome to Rolliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert image to PDF file. Now the first thing you have to do is go to gallery. Now from here open any image that you want to convert to PDF file. If I open this, then tap on three dots, then go to print, then tap on this icon, and here you can see save as PDF option. Then just tap here, then tap on PDF. From here choose any folder. If I select PDF file and then tap on save, and it's saved. Now to find this PDF file, go to file manager, then tap on documents, and here it is. Now you can see the image has been converted to a PDF file. Now if you cannot find it here, then just go back and then go to internal storage. From here find your PDF file folder, and here it is. And that is how you can convert image to PDF file. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.